Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 3D sketching exercises. Exercise number 1. First, select the new part. Now pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the 3D profile as given in the manual. After sketching, specify the dimensions as given in the manual using Smart Dimension command. Once all the required dimensions are given as per the manual, now in features, select extrude bars, then specify the dimension and direction of the extrusion and also the end condition of the extrusion as a midplane. Now select the top face of the 3D part and give sketch. Select the circle command and draw a circle over the part. Specify the vertical and horizontal dimensions of the circle from the edge of the part. Now in features, select extrude and cut. Specify the direction and end condition of extrusion. Now, now apply the material AASI 1020 in materials and give apply. Now check for its mass properties under evaluates option. In order to change the properties in custom, select kgs to grams. That's it. If the material of the part has to be changed, select custom appearance and change the color whatever desired. That's it. Our part is completed.